Welcome to Zimbabwe, where industries face significant challenges due to the country's unique geography and landlocked location in southern Africa. EDDY Pump offers innovative solutions tailored to Zimbabwe's major sectors, including agriculture, mining, manufacturing, chemicals, electronics, machinery, and metals. EDDY Pump's advanced slurry pumps and dredging equipment efficiently navigate Zimbabwe's geographical complexities, providing a strategic advantage for material transfer and infrastructure maintenance. With EDDY Pump, businesses can effectively manage challenges without the burden of long-term commitments. Efficient pumping and dredging solutions are vital for maintaining navigable waterways, mitigating floods, preserving the environment, and supporting Zimbabwe's import and export activities. With strategic locations across Zimbabwe, EDDY Pump is ready to meet the nation's industrial needs. Zimbabwe's industries require innovative solutions to overcome geographical challenges and sustain economic competitiveness. EDDY Pump emerges as the preferred partner, offering flexible and sustainable solutions for material transfer and infrastructure maintenance. Explore our rental services today and ensure Zimbabwe's industry's future resilience and growth with EDDY Pump. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.